Hello everyone. We're gonna have a pick, clean, and cook today, and it's gonna be turnip greens and collard greens. I like to mix them. But I need to hurry up and get this pick because it'll look like rain today. Well, we got a 90% chance tomorrow, but we're starting to get them dark blue clouds back that way, so I guess I better get these picked and get in the house and get to cooking. So y'all stick around for more and see how good it turns out. Well, I'm in the kitchen getting ready to clean these greens up. So y'all bear with me while I get them cleaned, and I'll show you how I'm gonna cook them. All right, guys, take a look. Hey, I'm back in the kitchen with Brandy. She helped me clean the greens and turnips and everything, the collards and the turnip greens. So I'm gonna show y'all how I cook it meatless, since I shouldn't be eating a lot of bacon and stuff. So this is the way I do it. I got some of this bouillon right here because I don't have no chicken broth in the pantry. I seem to run out of it a lot. And I'm gonna put a couple of level teaspoons in here. Gotta be careful with this stuff, it's real salty. Huh?
Yep.
Yep. Yes, but good job of hers, let her off half a day early today. Yeah. Little onion powder. Oh, some of these lids snap and some of them don't. I'm just gonna do it like this. Y'all put what y'all want in there.
Season to taste.
Season to taste. But don't taste good, don't blame me.
Now what do you put in
It's
here?
garlic. And this ain't in a cayenne bottle, but I know it's cayenne pepper. Very careful with this stuff. Just a couple of shakes should get it. I swear. Let's fix the camera so you can go take care of her. She's a spoiled little brat. Let me fix this camera real quick. I should have set it up on a tripod anyway. Oh well. Anyway, I got me a couple of cups of water in there. Put all the seasonings in there. So I'm gonna throw all of these greens and turnips in there. Let it come up to a boil. We'll throw the turnips in first since they're tough. I guess I should cut that one up a little bit. These other ones are small. So I hope y'all gonna have a happy Thanksgiving. I think we're gonna work on Autumn's bedroom a little bit. Well, not a little bit, probably a whole lot this week while she's off. She's off till Monday. We need to get her bedroom set up. I've had problems with that room after the kids left, and they left a bunch of their stuff behind, then they come back, then they leave more stuff behind. You reach over here and get a handful of these greens, throw in there. Turn that fire down a little bit. It's already boiling. We just keep piling them greens in that pot. I should have it on the pot, not me. And it's already boiling away. Need some whole greens. We almost got them all in there. I didn't want to overcook this time like I usually do. Brandy's back. Look, this stove. The stove messes up every once in a while and stays hot, even though it's on low. So I cut it off. Move the pot back over there. That's going to cause a house fire one of these days. Might be messing up. Well, it must be messing up. It's just not turning down.
Turn it from high to low.
I think I went that way with it. The other stove used to mess up like that if you turned it the wrong way. You went from high to low?
Yeah, I went from high to low.
Shouldn't make no difference.
No.
But anyway, everybody, here's my beautiful wife. She's home till Monday. Yeehaw!
Yay!
Yay!
Got a lot to do.
Yeah, we're gonna be shooting a video on that room.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it all myself. I got to looking at that closet. I don't know if I can handle it or not. But y'all be seeing the pictures, what we gotta do. The video and pictures. And it's a lot. But anyway, I don't mind the painting part. It's the rest of.
Yeah, the floor laying and.
Last time I did laying the floors, I had hardtack. Couple of them. Up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had to remember.
Yeah, Stephen was here. And
Yeah.
He didn't show up that day.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's another story. Oh well, we'll be right back when they're done for a taste test.
See you then.
See you. Well, the greens are ready and it's time to take a taste test. I'm about ready to dig in. I might make me some cornbread to go with this. Well, gotta have a little bit of turnip to go with the green, and it's hot. That's delicious, y'all. Hey, y'all, you people that don't grow anything for yourself out there, if you like greens, give it a try. It's very easy. I mean, you can walk out there and just put some holes in the ground, throw the seeds in and cover it up, and it'll grow. Nothing special. Nothing special about it. Very easy to grow. I threw some seeds out on an old burn pile one time, and all the greens came up. I had greens going out my ears. Anyway, that's really delicious right there. I like greens. Greens are good for you, high in vitamin K, and good for your heart. So, grow you some greens and start eating them. It's good for you. So anyway, Brandy tell them bye.
Bye.
Or we'll both tell them bye. Come here. Just flip it around. There you go. Hey, from our garden to your video.
From our garden to our kitchen to your...
she got messed up now.
Yep. You know what we're saying.
Yeah. Hey, we love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're going to make y'all some more videos, that's for sure, huh?
Very much so.
So, y'all
Stay safe,
on
be
the lookout.
blessed, and have a very happy Thanksgiving.
Yes, please do.
Love y'all.
Bye.
Bye.